Cooling towers operate in unpredictable environments. Cooling load variations, process contamination, quality of makeup water, inconsistent control responses by different operators. These fluctuating factors complicate cooling system management. Operators know the symptoms: corrosion, fouling, scaling, extended downtime, and in the worst cases, failure and shutdown. The effect on maintenance costs, cooling efficiency, and overall plant productivity and profits can be serious. Meet the solution: the Betz System 13,000, a revolutionary integration of equipment computer technology and our 60 years of water treatment expertise. The latest example of Betz, staying a solution ahead. At its heart, an advanced microcomputer control system that never stops monitoring and controlling cooling variables. A system that automatically manages water chemistry for a degree of control more precise, efficient, and cost-effective than ever before possible. It's done with our patented gravity-feed chemical delivery system. This pumpless design eliminates all pump maintenance and assures chemical accuracy that no conventional pump system can match. The System 13,000 simplifies cooling tower management. It collects data on makeup and tower water pH and conductivity, cycles of concentration, makeup and blowdown flow volumes, inlet and return water temperatures, and quantity of chemical fed. Based on this data, it then adjusts the feed rates of up to 3 key chemicals and regulates pH. On the 13,000's computer monitor, operators can view system status, conductivity, pH, cycles, chemical consumption, and makeup and blowdown rate. And that's not all. The 13,000 can give you continuous monitoring of additional analog inputs. Key factors like corrosion rates, chlorine residuals, header pressures, and water temperatures for truly customized data management. And with the 13,000's easy-to-use SmartScan software, you will have instant access to continuous online data, up to 1 year of historical data, status of all system parameters, and management reports. SmartScan can also provide alarm capabilities and data generation for SPC analysis. So the 13,000 does much more than apply treatment chemicals precisely. It controls operating costs, it saves water, uses less manpower, and streamlines data collection. All of which mean better cooling tower management and a better bottom line. Perhaps the ultimate peace of mind is that with the System 13,000, you're never without the experience and resources of Betz cooling treatment experts. The 13,000's built-in modem allows our personnel to monitor system status, change operating parameters, troubleshoot problems, and return the system to normal operation from an off-site location. And our Call Home feature enables 24-hour emergency response by alerting Betz headquarters when parameters are out of control or when there's a mechanical malfunction. Time and time again, Call Home's round-the-clock vigilance has saved millions of dollars by helping avert shutdowns from pH excursions, valve malfunctions, loss of flow, and other crises. System safeguards are as much a benefit of the 13,000 as its precision and efficiency. Lockout timers eliminate dangerous and costly overfeed. Double valves prevent accidental chemical loss. If high conductivity occurs, the 13,000 initiates automatic blowdown. There can even be remote alarms in an operator control room, where the precise cause of the problem is displayed on the SmartScan monitoring screen. Protection against chemical overfeed and other system upsets, less operator time and frustration, instant knowledge of cooling tower performance, 24-hour Betz surveillance at hundreds of plant locations nationwide. These unmatched benefits are already winning System 13,000 users more productivity and big savings. Listen.
If we wanted to look at something that was time involved, sitting down, taking information off of log sheets, applying it to a graph, and then looking at it, with the 13,000, that stuff is readily available just by calling it up in a printout of any and all information that we need to look at.
It feeds the chemicals automatically as needed. We still analyze the water, and we feed this information into the computer, but it actually feeds the chemical. It's done away with metering pumps. It's just a much better control.
You got the factor of human error that we've virtually eliminated with this system, and I feel the savings is going to be quite substantial.
Betz is in contact with Triad Chemical on a daily basis. We feel like there's some systems here that are very critical to the plant, so therefore it's warranted that Betz be in contact with the plant on a daily basis. If we're not in contact verbally on a day-to-day basis, we're in contact with our computer capabilities, accessing the plant and the Betz 13,000 to make sure that the unit is performing and giving them peak performance and monitoring the system to the best of its ability.
Anytime anything is wrong with the cooling tower, it contacts by telephone the Betz rep, which to me is a benefit not only to Betz, but to us. It's saving us money. It keeps minor problems minor. It keeps them from getting blown out of a bit proportion. It makes me sleep better at night.
The major reason we wanted to bring the 13,000 in was we have had here and at our other Big River stations a history of copper and iron corrosion in the circ water systems, the coolant tower and the condenser being the major components of those systems. We thought we'd try at this station first to get the 13,000 in to be able to run a tighter control on the chemical treatment.
SmartScan has been a real benefit in terms of saving data for up to a year's time period. We're able to analyze the data much more thoroughly and make the appropriate adjustments to the chemical control program.
Like I said, we just really didn't have any way to keep track of and monitor that kind of information.
Performance like this is no accident. Our equipment is designed and built by Betz water treatment experts. It's specifically engineered with just the right features to give you better process control. The result? Optimum performance, lower equipment cost, greater value. At Betz Equipment Systems, computer-aided design techniques are used to create state-of-the-art control equipment. The System 13,000 was specially designed to meet the needs of industries as varied as refining, power, chemical, electronics, steel, and automotive. Our insistence on quality at the design and manufacturing level is unrelenting. All major components of the 13,000 undergo thorough testing in our laboratories. Every step of the process reflects our proud 60-year reputation for tough quality control. Customer service is an equally high Betz priority. Our specialists will make sure that every System 13,000 operator is thoroughly trained on site to take full advantage of its innovative tower management capabilities. And through your Betz representative and our 5 regional service centers across the country, customers are assured of fast access to parts and alert response to all service needs. When the System 13,000 won the Chemical Processing Award for water treatment and pollution control, an awards judge said this: "The System 13,000 addresses all important details for cooling tower operations. By exercising complete control over chemical consumption as well as blowdown, the system allows for smooth, efficient operation. Corrosion, fouling, scaling, critical downtime, catastrophic shutdown, real and costly problems in the fragile environment of cooling tower management. At least they used to be, until the solution came along. The Betz System 13,000.